ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Namaste. Harmonize and humanize the work. So that is our motto. Harmonize and humanize the work. I as an individual, you as an individual, make us we. That we is very important. I and you make us we. That's not enough. It is not a transaction only with the two. So you have to extend our family to the us. Okay. That means I, you, we, and us. For what? It is for a kind of a common goal. Okay, that's what we are talking about, the win-win, the strategy. See, this is our philosophy. This is why I started the organizations with the same principle. Okay, so let us discuss about the win-win strategy and what is the purpose of this particular logo. When I say, I, you, make it we, and then becomes a us. And then this is the collaborating for the common good. What do you mean by common good? This is what we are trying to understand, the harmonization. That means, we have to maintain a kind of a harmony. See, after all, life is very simple. We should not complicate. Okay, now we have to understand. Now one cannot win all the time and one cannot lose all the time. So there is a question of, how you can really win-win. Right? So we will discuss about how you can make win-win strategy in all activities. It is possible. The only thing is a question of the mindset. Okay, let me explain to you. When I say you and we, it makes us. I told you earlier, I and you make we. Right? Now, then you make it as a us. For what? For a collaborating for common good. For all the people. For that, you must have a kind of a win-win strategy. I win and you also win. See, in any game, there can be only one winner. The other has to lose. Okay, now the man who is able to lose, he also gains lot of experience. How to accept the failure, how to really bounce back. So these are all the intangible. We will not be able to understand. So that means the purpose of this particular session is that in any transaction, okay, we can always win. When you talk about the win, it is not the question of, money, name, fame, not like that. We are able to gain as a winning strategy if you are able to maintain the mindset. What kind of a mindset I have? Okay, I got a failure. So what is that I am able to learn? See, failure is not a failure if I am able to learn from the failure. Okay, all these men of achievement were able to learn from their failures. Okay, so that is particular one. See, now when I talk about this win-win, now every transaction you can win. It looks to be very paradoxical, but it's a fact. But how I am able to really use my experience or all the interaction. See, sometimes I may get a lot of frustration. I may get a lot of the failure. But if I'm able to learn from the failures and the frustration, that means I'll be able to get a lot of mental courage so that I'll be able to understand the life. Okay, that is one. Now I want to give some kind of example. Okay, my own experience. See, when I was a managing director, so the general manager came to my cabin and he said that I want to sack one girl. She always finds fault with everybody. Okay, so we had one kind of a philosophy. Okay, we used to say that anybody can hire the people, but if you have to sack anybody, then it must come to me for my approval. I always used to feel that when you're sacking, that is something like a kind of a real punishment. So I thought I should not do it. At this time, I understand. So when he came, okay, I want to sack this particular girl. The reason is that she keeps on finding fault. Then, I just thought, okay, I never used to take a decision immediately. I said, okay, let me think about it. Then you come after some time. Then they came. And then finally I listened to that girl. Then I got an idea. I just told the general manager, he said, don't sack her. See, we need a person who always try to find faults, okay, on the system and other things. So why don't you put her into the inspection? And the general manager was not very happy. Then I said, why don't you try? Okay, then she started going through the inspection. So those days, I am talking about nearly about 40 years back. So she used to go to all the machine and check whether all the components are being manufactured according to the drawing. Then believe it or not, she was able to find out for all the people, all the components. And the whole organization was really become very, very frustrated. Then I just told them only one thing, look, all these days, no, we are not able to really understand. Now it is time for us so that we will be able to make the corrections according to the drawing. Now I have given a full freedom for her to find fault the system. Now I will be surprised that there is a lot of muck come from the system. Now, then what happened? The moral of this the incident is that, see, by sacking her, she is going to lose the job. Now, I am also losing her talent in finding fault on certain things. Now, over a period of time, then she also realized that, okay, you should not find fault with the people, but you have to find fault with the system. Okay, this is about one particular example. The other one, my own experience is very amazing. When TVS wanted us to develop one particular product called a UpDrive. Okay, now at the time I was not interested. We have a lot of business, so I didn't have time. But TVS forced me to develop. This product name is UpDrive. Now I don't know. See, I don't know much about the particular product, but TVS had a lot of the kind of a confidence with SA, and that had a lot of problem for the warranty claim in the particular product. Then since they forced, then I tried to do it also. Then I just came from Japan. I was listening to Dr. Ishikawa. He made a fantastic statement. And he said, if somebody want to reduce the price, with a 10% is difficult. But if we can reduce by 50%, it is easy. Now when I listening to him, I thought it is absurd. Then the particular point came to my mind. Because it is a good opportunity for me. So why not to try? Then what happened? Then I took it. Then I just talked to all the people. Then I just told them only one thing. This is the price of they are getting a product from the supplier. Now, so if you are able to supply at least 50% of the cost, then let us touch. Otherwise, let us not touch about the business. Then everybody said it's not possible. But I had a faith with the Dr. Ishikawa. Then if you are able to reduce only by 10%, see that means the other supplier has got a lot of overheads. In our case, we are smaller. Then I want to make sure there must be a win-win philosophy. That means I must get more profit than the other product, and the customer also must get lesser. Okay, now how can you do that? So maybe you can call it as a value engineering. But it's not only value engineering. It is a question of a mindset. Then said, okay, then we started looking at everything. So you will be surprised. They were getting this particular product from their existing customer about 29 rupees. And you will be surprised that we started supplying with 15 rupees. It's almost half of the price. So the customer was benefited. They were able to get about 50% of the cost. And as far as we are concerned, we are able to get more profit, almost double. Now, I will not call it only as a value engineering, although it is also a value engineering. But there is a tremendous amount of, the win-win. He was able to win, my TVS were able to win, and the Technotronics was able to win. Now, even now, we are able to supply this particular product for more than 40 years. Now, the question is to find out, okay, once you have a kind of a mindset, that means you will get a lot of, the ideas. Okay, win-win. And I can give one more example. One of my relatives, he just called me and then he started, firing me left and right. Right? Now, normally, I used to immediately respond or react. I put the other way. I used to react. Then that particular day, I told myself, let me be calm. Let me keep on only listening. Never react. So I started, listening to him for nearly about 1 hour and 15 minutes. That is 75 minutes. I was just listening, although I was feeling very tired. Right? Then I kept on telling myself, let me be calm, let me be calm, let me be calm. I was only keep on telling myself. Right? And after some time, he himself was so tired. Then I said, okay, I'm very tired, so I will call you after some time. Then I smiled and said, yes, so I am available. So we can talk afterwards. Now, see, as far as the other person is concerned, he was able to vent out his feelings. In my case, what happens? I was telling myself that let me be calm, let me be calm, let me be calm. There is a tremendous amount of, the auto-suggestion, the self-talk. Now, in this particular case, you may be wondering, what is the question of the win-win? See, he won by venting out his anger or a frustration. In my case, I won getting more passions and also a kind of a perseverance and also able to accept what cannot be avoided. So that means in every transaction, it's not the question of win and lose. No, but it's a question of the win-win. Now, most of the times we are not able to understand the mindset of the win-win. That means they will become a kind of a lose-lose. What will be a lose? So I am also losing, the other fellow also, they're losing. Now, can we play a game of win-win? See, I can give one more example. I just went to a particular customer and asked for a order, right? Then he asked me some kind of a price, which we cannot afford. No, I told him only one thing, sorry, see, I cannot afford it, okay? And I can only ill afford. I use the same word. I can only ill afford to supply. So I would be very happy to lose the order, but I don't want to lose the customer. Now, believe it or not, that man was quite impressed. Okay, then I did not get the order at that particular time. You will be surprised. So I got it after 3 months at the same price. Now, the whole idea is you have to have a kind of a mindset saying that every transaction, so I would like to win. Not really by money or a name or fame, but a kind of a mental fortitude. When I say fortitude, that means you are able to understand what is life. So that is what you call the win-win. Okay, so it is not a question of win and lose. No, it's not a lose-lose. No, it is a win-win. For that, you must have a mindset. Okay, take care. All the best. Use this particular strategy in all activities. Okay, take care. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.